Okay, welcome to video number 2. I just want to do a quick conversation around hardware. And the reason I want to mention it is it does have some applications, especially when we're talking about environments. So first up, you more than likely know what that is. Yeah, it's a laptop. In this instance, it also replicates what I would consider a desktop computer. Same sort of deal. It's hardware fixed into that machine. I can touch the screen, but it's not going to do anything. So then we move into our iPad range. I've got both. I've got an Apple. That's an Apple Mini I've had for a long time. I would love to upgrade to an iPad Pro at some stage. Here we have the Samsung tablet. That's a Samsung Galaxy Tab A. They've got some new improved ones that I don't have. This is a couple of years old. They keep developing new stuff and keep copying each other as far as some of the inbuilt applications. And then we have, this one's a phone. So a lot of people, especially the younger kids, seem to have the Galaxy Samsung phone versions. This one's an Apple one. Thank you very much to my work for that one. I love the Apple products because of the functionality that they have built into it, as opposed to having to download or put new other software applications in there. Okay, having said all that, you need to know in terms of environment where all these things fit in. So basically you can set them up so they're cross-platform linked. So whatever I'm operating on the desktop, I can actually access on here as well. And there's some environmental considerations I'm going to go through in regards to that. But be mindful to make all these things work together and sync together. You are going to need iCloud assistance, so it has to come up through your iPad. Alright. Before I move on from that and move into some of that software discussion, which is really going to be around what I want to mention here is that what you use and where you use it really depend on the environment, because a lot of the functionalities I'm going to talk about as far as those Office 365 products, they all need to be hooked up to the cloud to make them really work. And same with a whole bunch of other software, but I'll get to that in a minute. But yeah, make sure whichever operating system you're using, so for example Samsung uses the Android based platform, iPad or Apple uses the iOS system, there's ways to get around the differences between the two systems, how you can make them work for yourself. And one of those things in particular is Google Chrome, which is a really good way of linking your platforms together through their extensions off the Chrome. Again, I'm mentioning the Chrome for you Edge people or Yahoo or Bing. I apologise for that, but Chrome is the way to go. Secondly, followed by Edge actually. So there you go. Alright, I'll leave it here. Moving on. Cheers.